Good morning students. Today I am sharing the video in which you will learn about chapter 3 of geography, that is mineral and power resources. Students, watch the video carefully and understand the topics. Students, note down the important points in your notebook. Let us see the topics which I will discuss with you. Distribution of minerals in Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Distribution of minerals in India, uses of minerals, conservation of minerals. Students, in previous video we have discussed what is mineral. A mineral is a natural occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition. It always remains same. It would not vary place to place. We also discussed what are rocks. Rocks are made up of one or more minerals. They do not have definite chemical composition. That is why color of rocks vary from place to place. Now we are going to discuss distribution of minerals. Students, mineral occurs in different types of rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks like limestone. Mineral fuels such as coal, petroleum are also found in sedimentary rocks. Students, now see the map. Which minerals are found in the world? Student, it shows the distribution of iron, copper, bauxite in different continents. Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Different index are used for different minerals. Now we are going to discuss which minerals are found in Asia. China and India have large iron deposit. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. Asia also has deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel and zinc. Now student, which minerals are found in Europe? Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Mineral deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. Russia country is found in two continents, Europe and Asia. Students, in European countries with large deposit are found in Russia. In European countries, large deposit of iron ore are found in Russia, Sweden and France. Which minerals are found in North America? The mineral deposit in North America are located in three zones: Canadian region, Appalachian region and mountain ranges of the west. Mineral deposit in North America are located in three zones: iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region, coal in the Appalachian region. Western Cordilleras have vast deposit of copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver. Student, which minerals are found in South America? In South America, Brazil is the largest country. Size-wise, largest country. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are the largest producer of copper. Students, see the world map. It shows the distribution of coal and mineral oil in different continents of the world. Different indexes are used for coal and minerals. Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producer of tin. South America also has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, manganese, bauxite, mica and platinum. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Peru and Colombia. Which minerals are found in Africa? Africa is rich in mineral resources. It is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum. Other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt and bauxite. Oil is found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Student, South Africa and Zimbabwe produce a large portion of the world's gold. Which minerals are found in Australia? Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. Student, which minerals are found in Antarctica? Student, Antarctica is known as white continent because throughout the year it is covered with the thick ice sheet. Some labs are there to know about the continent. Significant size of deposits of coal in Trans-Antarctica Mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, gold, silver, oil are also present in commercial quantity. Students, now we are going to discuss which minerals are found in India. India is rich in ferrous mineral. Ferrous means iron. India has deposit of high-grade iron ore. The mineral is found mainly in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Bauxite. Students, aluminum is obtained from the bauxite. It is used in aeroplane, utensils, etc. Major bauxite producing areas states in India are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Student, next mineral is mica. Mica is used in electronic industry due to its excellent dielectric strength. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Mica deposits mainly occur in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Students, copper. It is used mainly in the electric cables, electronic and chemical industries. It is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Our next mineral which is found in India is manganese. It is used in manufacturing of steel. India's manganese deposits lies in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Student, next mineral is limestone. It is used in cement industry. Cement is made from which stone? Limestone. Major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Student, our next mineral is gold. It is a precious metal, expensive metal. It is mainly used in jewelry. It is found in Kolar in Karnataka, has deposit of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. We have to spend lots of money to reach the mines to get the gold. So it is a expensive process to get the gold from the mines. Student, salt. It is obtained from the sea, lakes, rocks. India is one of the world's largest leading producer and exporter of salt. Student, we know minerals are very important in our life. They are indispensable part of our life. We use from tiny pin to a towering or a big ship, all are made from minerals. Railway lines, roads, machinery too are made from minerals. Car, buses, trains are made from minerals. So what are the uses of minerals? Minerals are, we have discussed, minerals are used for gems. Copper is used in everything from coins to pipes. Silicon is used in computer industry. Aluminium obtained from its ore. Bauxite is used in automobile and airplanes, bottling industry and building, etc. Students, conservation, our next topic is conservation of minerals, because minerals are found in limited quantity and they play an important role in our life. So conservation of mineral is very important. Conservation means wisely use the mineral resources. So how we can do the conservation of minerals? We can use the 3R method. 3R method means reused. Use the same things again and again. Reduce, we should reduce the demand of minerals. And third R is recycle. Recycle means convert waste into reusable material. In this way, gold, iron, they can be recycled. So why minerals? We know that they are important in our life, so we should use it carefully. We should use it because minerals are non-renewable resources. It means they are produced by nature. We cannot produce during our lifetime. So minerals are non-renewable, so we should use it very carefully. It takes thousands of years for formation and concentration of minerals. They cannot produce during our lifespan, so we should conserve them. Rate of formation is much smaller than the rate of human consumption. Consumption is more speedily, but speed of formation is very slow. So we should use it very carefully. We should conserve the mineral. It is necessary because they are limited. So it is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of minerals is also an important way of conservation of minerals. Students, I hope all the topics are clear to you. Do the worksheet which is based on the understanding of the topics and send to us according to your given schedule. In next video, I will discuss with you power resources. Students, stay at home, stay healthy, keep learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.